You're trying to kill me.
Good morning.
I'm into health, not into state of fuck. I'm into health and fitness, not into death.
Good morning. It is like not morning anymore on Thursday. I'm struggling and I'm watching the videos on my camera roll and now I know why, so you would have
It's Thursday. It's Thursday. It's not even day 0.
It's day 0 now. It's literally Thursday. We're struggling. I'm clearly too old for this.
Cat last night. I'm thinking of doing it of summer next year.
I did say that.
Look how long it's taking me to pull my laptop out.
This is the leftovers of last night. Also, I'm literally dying. I had to go downstairs and buy bottles of water last night. 2 bottles of water was $23 US. Wow. And I had no choice. A lot of my friends replied to that story and they're like, bro, it's cheaper to just buy alcohol. I need to get ready like quickly because we need to go to the Basscon pool party downtown in like about 30 minutes. I'm shooting Sound Rush and we're gonna see Atmospheres, Warface, Hixie. We were planning to go see Armin at the club tonight, but honestly, I think I just want to sleep. So
No, shoot.
we'll see what happens.
Not like 30-year-olds, not like fucking 20-year-olds.
I'm 29!
Where they can go, they gamble, nobody will mess with them. And then, you know, and it was in an area that, you know, if ever anybody was coming in to get you,
Yeah.
you know, they could see you.
Yeah.
But then they incorporated everything.
See, it's more fun when I've got energy.
Wristbands acquired. Let's go. Someone just had a coffee and now he's like, and now I gotta deal with this. It's so quiet still.
200 BPM.
Oh, it's hot. I should have brought my sunglasses.
Where my Aussies at?
Everyone! We want to see you dance right now!
Everybody fucking jump!
Tech, LSD, PCB, MDMA.
Warface, stab your brain like a switchblade. Ta-da! Can I get a higher? Can I get a
pills and go to La La Land. Spending all my money on dope and extreme high price tickets, but in the end it's all worth it. I like to live in my own world. Fuck regular life, fuck a 9-to-5 job. I'm told to enjoy every moment, every hour, every minute. That's what I do on Fridays and Saturdays.
I think the whole system fucking sucks. Everybody's working their fucking ass off during the week, getting totally fucking stressed out. So what's wrong and what's right? I live for the weekend. I live for hard styles. I live for hard style, baby. Come on. That's what we fuck, man.
Do we build castles in the sky? Oh, tell me why.
It's 6 p.m. We finally left the pool party. It is so hot. 3 words to describe the pool party. Go.
It was unforgettable. So much fun. So much energy.
6 words.
Hardstyle forever.
Anyway, we've arrived at Expo, so now we're going to pick up our GA tickets. And then on the way back, we need to go pick up the artist tickets.
Okay. I'm stealing the vlog now. And I thought that I had fun last night. Now, after the pool party, it makes me realize this was fun and not last night.
It's just going to keep getting better and better.
Post the email
For the ticket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, voiceover the whole video.
Voiceover, yeah. We decided not to go out, so I edited the Sound Rush photos for a bit. We're playing with this massive motherfucker of a lens tonight, so I'm just taking him around the strip for a few hours to get some photos, chill for a bit, and explore Vegas.
Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street. Land of the heinous, gangbangers in cold heat. And Los Santos neighbors get no sleep. Beefing with anybody, competing, even police. 4 deep in the green rag with gold feet. Blast with the flag on the strap, that's OG. Stay in shape, hit the gym, lift the weights. Get super cutter, big and buff, nice and straight. You got stats, respect, weapon, skill. Stamina, muscle, fat, and sex appeal. You get clothes from Binkos and Prolapse. Suburban zip, victim and desatch. Watch your back when in rival hoods. They'll test just to guess if your survival's good.